Hi student, welcome to my online class. How are you all? I think all are fine and safe. Today we discuss class 9 chemistry chapter 1 matter in our surrounding. Last class we discussed what are matter and what are the particle nature of matters and different state of matter, solid, liquids and gases. So now we discuss can matter change its state. Matters are changed in state. It is a question that arises matter change state. Many types of matters already we discussed. We are taking one example of a matter like water. Okay, water. In water, which state they are present? Water are generally in liquid state. Okay. What happens when this water are heated? We are apply heat, then the water are changed to water vapor. Okay, what are the state of water vapor? This gaseous state. Okay, we are applying or increase temperature, then what happens? The liquid state are changed to gaseous state. Here are matter can change their state. Yes, matter can change their state. Again, what happened? Water were cool. Then what happened? The water are changed to ice. Yes or no? Water are cool. Okay, water. A glass of water we are keep in the refrigerator. Then what happened? They can change into ice. Then what are the state of the ice? It is solid state. So they can also change their state liquid to solid by cooling. Okay, so it is a simple example to know matter can change their state. Okay, so that time we are increase temperatures. What happens? The particles of matters increase their kinetic energy. What happens? That time we apply heat, the particles of matters are increase their kinetic energy. That's why they can easily their state. By changing temperatures, the matter can change their state. And also by applying pressures, also matter can change their state. So two main points are there. By applying effect of temperatures and effect of pressure. These two main cause to matter change their state. So first one we have discussed effect of change of temperature. Effect of change of टेम्परेचर. मैटर चेंज में टेम्परेचर का क्या इफेक्ट है हम उसको अभी देखेंगे. जैसे कि मेनली हम लोगों को दो टर्म याद रखना पड़ेगा. एक है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट और एक मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. ओके, दिस इज टू मोस्ट कॉमन टर्म. What is boiling point? When we are boiling something, water, for example, we are boiling, then what happens? They can change into gaseous state. Okay, when the matters are changed from liquid state to gaseous state, then this temperature are called what are boiling point. And when we are some ice are changed to water, that time what happens? Solid to liquid change. And when solid to change to liquid, then this is called what are melting points. Okay, this is the two most common point, boiling point and melting point. Again one term are the fusion. Fusion, fusion. Fusion means what happens when a liquids are changed to solid state. Then it is called water solidification, and they are reverse. When solid are changed to liquid state, then it is called water fusion. In fusion, what are solid changed to liquid, and in solidification, what happen? Liquid change to solid. Okay, so these are the two main important terms also, water fusion and solidification. So this one also help to change their state of matter. One most important term are also discussed, that is sublimation. Water sublimation. Okay. Some substance, again, they are changed from solid state to directly gaseous state without change in liquid state are called This process are called sublimation, and this substance are called sublimentary substance. Some example of this sublimentary substance are ammonium chloride. What are ammonium chloride? NH4Cl, camphor. Okay, these are the some sublimentary substance. What are the definition of sublimation? When solid directly change into gaseous state without change in liquid state. Is called sublimation. Okay, so this one the most important of what is sublimation. One activities is also there. We are taken a container or cannabis, ammonium chloride, some salt, and we are heated. Then this ammonium chloride are directly changed into gaseous state. And again, this one the reverse are water when a gases are directly changed into solid state, then it is called water also sublimation and deposition. What are called deposition? This is also one term related to effect of change of temperature, deposition. When gas directly change into solid without change into liquid is called deposition. Okay, so these are the some important terms related to effect of change of temperatures. Another term are the latent heat. Latent heat or latent heat of fusion. Two terms are there. One are the latent heat of fusion and one are the latent heat of vaporization. First, another latent heat of fusion. Okay. What are latent heat of fusion? The amount of energy required the amount of heat energy. The heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at their melting point is called latent heat of fusion. Okay. So this is most important term. What is the latent heat? It is a one hidden heat or hidden temperature. This is not required. Whatever the amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid substance into liquid substance at their melting point is called latent heat of fusion. Okay. Another one term are the latent heat of vaporization. Okay. Latent heat of vaporization. Vaporization means when liquid are changed into gaseous state. This is called water vaporization. So latent heat of vaporization represents what are the amount of heat energy is required to change 1 kg of liquid into gas at its boiling point. Is called latent heat of vaporization. Okay. For the latent heat of vaporization, the amount of heat energy is required to change 1 kg of liquid to gas at its boiling point is called latent heat of vaporization. When 1 kg water are changed into water vapor, then it is called water latent heat of vaporization. Which one are the more latent heat of vaporization? When one same temperature 1 kg water in liquid state or 1 kg water in gaseous state. Which one are the more latent heat? 1 kg of gas are more latent heat. Why? Because in gases the kinetic energy are the more, that's why they are absorb more amount of heat energy. So in 1 kg of gases are the more latent heat of energy. So this is the some idea what are or some term related to effective change of temperatures. One thing you remember, when we are increase the temperatures, then the kinetic energy of the molecules are also increase. That's why the kinetic energy of gaseous state are more as compared to the liquid and solid state. So next are the effect of change of pressure. Effect of change of pressure. What happens when we apply pressure? Suppose in the container we are taken some gas. This is normal pressure another same container we applied pressure. With the help of a piston, we apply pressure. Then what happened? We apply pressure. Then what happened? The volume of are decreased and number of particles per unit area are increased. And that time the number of particles per unit area increase. Then what are they are condensed and changed to the gases are changed to liquid state. Okay. So the pressures are also take a major role for change in their matter can change their state. Many examples of there we have to discuss when the temperature and pressures have the change in their state. And one thing you remember when the some gases like CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay, this carbon dioxide gas will increase their pressure, then change to the solid carbon dioxide. Water, solid CO2. Then this is called water, dry gas. Then solid carbon dioxide is called water, dry ice. Dry ice. Okay. The carbon dioxide are the gases, and we are applied more pressures. Then this carbon dioxide are changed into solid state. The gases carbon dioxides are changed into solid carbon dioxide. Okay, then it is called water, dry ice. Water, this is dry ice. And one thing how the matters can interconvert from one state to another state. Suppose we by applying temperature and pressures, the matters have changed their state. For example, solid okay. We simply a diagram we can understand how the solids, liquids and gas are interconvert. When the solids are changed into liquids, now we discuss interconversion of state of matter. Interconversion means when one state of matter is changed into another state by applying temperature and pressure. This is called interconversion of state of matter. What is interconversion of state of matter? When one state of matter changes into another state of matter by applying temperature and pressure. It's called interconversion of state of matter. Okay. When one state of matter changes into another state of matter by applying temperature and pressure, it's called interconversion of state of matter. One diagrammatically we have to discuss what are interconversion of state of matter. This is three states: solid, liquid, and gas. When solid are changed into liquid state, when solid are changed into liquid state, then it is called fusion. Okay, solid substance are fused by heating and changed into liquid state. For example, ice are changed to water, then it is called fusion. And their opposite are when liquid are changed into solid, when water are changed into ice, then it is called water solidification. Okay, when waters are get solid, water are changed to solid means water are changed to ice, then it is called water solidification. Similarly, when liquid are changed into gaseous state, then it is called vaporization. When liquids are boiled, then change to water, water vapor, or water are boiled when changed to water vapor, or liquid are changed to gases, then it is called water vaporization. And their opposite are when gas are changed to liquids, then it is called condensation. When gaseous state we are cool, then they can condense and change into liquid state, then it is called water condensation. Similarly, when solid are directly changed into gaseous state, then it is called sublimation. Earlier we had discussed what is sublimation. For example, are the ammonium chloride, camphor, naphthalene bulb, which are sublimatory substance. They can solid to directly change into gaseous state. And their opposite also, gaseous state are directly change into solid state, then it is called deposition. Okay, deposition or sublimation also. Okay, when gaseous state are directly changed into solid state, this is called deposition. So these are the three states of interconversion of matter. With the help of temperature and pressures, we can change their state from solid to liquids and liquid to gas and gas to solids. So it is a cyclic diagrammatic of interconversion of state of matter. Okay, thank you.